I'm Mattei from RenovateedRealty.ca. It's an exceptional day and an exceptional property we have to show you today at the nuvo at Essex. TRIDEL built in Etobicoke, 2-bedroom, 2-bath renovated corner unit. Welcome home. This 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom corner unit is entirely upgraded. Come on in and have a look. One of the excellent features of this unit, there's an actual foyer. So you don't walk straight into the living space. The foyer has a double closet, but the living space itself is exceptional. It has premium upgraded vinyl flooring, panoramic windows with clear views of parks, right down to Lake Ontario. There are no shortcuts in this unit because of the pride of ownership that's here, especially when it comes to the renovations. This is a kitchen that has nuanced details that belong in a multi-million-dollar home. Premium vinyl flooring, gloss lacquer uppers for cabinets, quartz counter backsplash, integrated lighting, as well as matte finish bottoms for more durability, and integrated waste storage features as well. Add to that this kitchen is quite large with the full eat-in area that has a beautiful clear view. Outstanding. There's no shortage of space in the primary bedroom. There's a full furniture set in here and there's still plenty of room. Double closet, another closet, so you've got summer, winter closets, and there's a gorgeous ensuite bath that services this primary bedroom. In addition, clear westerly views, so you get afternoon sun through the window. If you have guests or younger children living with you, they are spoiled by the fact that you've got a beautifully renovated 3-piece bath. The shower has custom glass enclosures, integrated shelving, and a soaker head on the shower. Full laundry suite with modern washer and dryer, and the second bedroom is quite spacious with a double closet as well. Okay, so one of the advantages of having a corner unit, your balcony is actually quite private. This balcony is spacious in that there's a table and chairs out there, and there's still room for the included pit boss, smoker, and barbecue. And that's electric, so it's safe to be on the balcony. What's more, you have a stunning view all the way down to Lake Ontario from this balcony. What more could you ask for outdoor space? One of the outstanding features of this building is the second floor exterior barbecue space. You've got beautiful south views and there's a lounge here to enjoy as well. One thing that I always get asked when I show units, can I rent a second spot for my partner? No need to worry about that in this particular case. 19 and 20, first of all, aren't tandem. They aren't separated, they're side by side. They're owned parking spaces that belong to this unit, and they're just steps from the entrance behind me here, as is the locker 123 that's also owned. It's just over there next to the parking. Talk about convenience when you come home with shopping in the winter. Thank you for taking this tour with us of 35 Viking Lane here in Etobicoke. As you can see, it's an exceptional unit. It's been beautifully renovated. The building itself is stacked with amenities, including a theater, billiard room, ping pong room, second-story balcony, pool, and more. The location, exceptional. Farm boy shops, restaurants nearby. You've also got a Go and TTC Miway station with the Kipling Kiss and Ride just next to you, and incredible grounds to enjoy that location, and highway access and more. What's left? Call or email us, info@MatteiRealty.ca, 416-557-7653, 416-557-SOLD. I'm Mattei. Have a great day.